Good morning, students. I am Mrs. Sunita Pardeshi, and today we are going to start Political Science lesson number 5, India and Other Countries, part 2. In this lesson, already we learnt about Pakistan, China, Bangladesh, and Afghanistan. And now, next neighboring country of India, that is Sri Lanka. India has friendly relations with the southern neighbor Sri Lanka. Political instability in Sri Lanka after 1985 was a result of the differences between the Tamils and the Sri Lankan government. At that time, India had sent a peacekeeping force to help the Sri Lankan government. Friendly relations with Sri Lanka are important from the point of view of security in the Indian Ocean. Nepal. Nepal and Bhutan are landlocked countries surrounded by mountainous terrain. The foundation of friendship between India and Nepal was laid with the Indo-Nepalese Friendship Treaty in 1950. According to this treaty, Nepalese citizens can enter India, take up government jobs, and carry on trade in India. The year 1990 marked the beginning of Nepal's transition to democracy. Nepal is dependent upon India for economic progress, basic facilities, food-related needs, trade and energy needs. India sent a lot of help to Nepal at the time of the 2015 earthquake. Bhutan is the next neighboring country of India. India bears the responsibility of the defense of Bhutan. Bhutan has a huge source of water. India has cooperated in the project to produce hydel power on a large scale using these sources. Myanmar. Myanmar is India's door to the Southeast Asian countries. The rail and roadways will bring development, increased trade and other exchange with India. India will be able to import natural gas from Myanmar. Aung San Suu Kyi is credited with having established democracy in Myanmar after a long-drawn struggle against the military regime. She has been awarded the Nobel Peace Prize. Maldives. Maldives is dependent on India for development of trade, infrastructure, health and communication. The trade relations from 1981 and cooperation in the military field has started in 2006. They have entered into treaties to cooperation in space research, concentration of historical objects, tourism and fight against terrorism. South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation (SAARC). This association was established in 1985 to encourage economic cooperation and thereby achieve the development of the South Asian region. It is a platform for South Asian countries to come together and discuss common questions and interests. Their common interests are alleviation of poverty, development of agriculture and technology revolution. It was agreed that South Asia should be a free trade area. And we have seen South Asian University was also established. India and America. India and America are two powerful democratic systems in the world. America is India's most important trading partner. The two countries had close economic relations. Many Indians went to America for work and education. Due to non-resident Indians, cultural, social and economic relations also improved. Military relations increased in between the two countries after the end of the Cold War. Two nations came closer after India accepted free market economy in 1991 as the globalization period. India's nuclear explosion in 1998 had caused strain in the relationship. However, India convinced America that India will use the nuclear weapons with responsibility. Civil nuclear agreement in 2005 was approved by the US Congress in 2008. It was an important landmark in Indo-American relations. Due to this deal, it became possible for India to get nuclear technology from other countries as well. Since then, cordial relations of cooperation in different areas have developed between India and America. In 2005, the India-US Civil Nuclear Agreement was signed by Dr. Manmohan Singh, then the Prime Minister of India, and George Washington Bush. India and Russia. India and the erstwhile Soviet Union and Russia today share friendly relations. 1971, the Indo-Soviet Treaty of Friendship and Cooperation was signed. It gave an impetus to cooperation between the two countries in defense and technology. The Soviet Union had given economic and military help to India on a large scale. After the collapse of Soviet Union and due to political and economic problems in Russia, relations did not improve much. India and Russia have jointly undertaken production of military equipment. Indo-Russian relations improved after 1996. Exploration and production of mineral oil. India and Europe. Germany and France invest in the field of technology in India on a large scale. India gets the technology of production of weapons from European nations. India is a major exporter of engineering and information technology to Europe. Several treaties have been signed in the fields of climate change, clean energy, defense production, disaster management, security of airspace, and terrorism. The European Union was reorganized and launched anew on 1st November 1993. After the Second World War, the European Union was established. Influence of USA and USSR increased in international politics. It was essential to bring about political stability among the European nations. European single market was established. India and the continent of Africa. India has consciously taken steps to build cooperation with the African countries. As many African countries are developing rapidly, close relations with them will be beneficial to both. India has given help in the areas like technology, agriculture, and tourism. India's energy needs can be fulfilled by energy-rich nations like Egypt, Nigeria, Angola, and Sudan. The Summit Conference of India and Africa was held in 2015. The representatives of 54 African nations attended it. In this conference, a discussion were held on climate change, terrorism, and piracy. India and the Indo-Pacific regions. The Indo-Pacific area includes countries like Japan, Australia, New Zealand, and the Southeast Asian nations. All of these have close trade relations with India. Many companies there have invested in India. Treaties have been signed between India and Australia about social security, extradition of criminals, the mission against smuggling of drugs, terrorism, art and culture. Japan cooperates with India in basic facilities, economic cooperation, information technology, atomic energy, and railways. Japan has agreed to extend cooperation and technological help to India in the development and security of coastal areas. Joint naval exercises are carried out between the navies and coast guards of both the countries. India and Southeast Asia. India has very cordial relations with Southeast Asian nations like Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Philippines, Thailand, Myanmar, Vietnam, Cambodia, and Brunei. Trade relations between the two have improved after 1991 as India adopted free market economy. The policy of increasing trade with Southeast Asian nations is known as the Look East policy. After 2014, this policy was made further more active and is known as the Act East policy. The West Asian countries are primarily suppliers of oil and natural gas to India. Israel provides modern technology for agriculture and defense equipment. Many Indians live in Israel for jobs and business. Main objective of India's foreign policy is to maintain friendly relations with all nations and help each other as to bring about development of India as well as other nations. So students, read the lesson thoroughly and try to solve the answers. Thank you very much.